do my hair and you're going to do it in the kitchen. Same.
Welcome back to our channel. Today is Mackenzie's wash day. It's long overdue. I never recorded actually washing her hair before, so this is going to be an experience because this girl does not like her hair washed, but I've been trying out different things to make her feel comfortable. So usually I would wash her hair in the bathroom in the tub, but she does not like water in her ears and things like that, and detangling. It just takes a long time, especially.
So we're going to do it in the kitchen sink. So
yeah.
I don't like it because I don't like going in the bathtub.
Yes. So lately, for the past 3 washes, I've been washing her hair in the kitchen sink, so she like lays down. So it's been a lot easier, kind of. But the only thing that's a little bit tricky is when it comes to detangling. I put a beach towel on top of the counter so it can be a little bit more comfortable for her, so it won't be so hard. And then I also get another like a dish rag so I can put around her so she don't get wet, right?
Yeah, so because I like this.
You like this? And then I get a clip.
So it's thick.
Yep. Her hair has been in this bun for how many weeks?
Couple 100 days.
100 days? Not that long. Like I said, it's long overdue. Look at you, you're popping. She's a troll. You like it like this? Yeah, right. So for shampoo today, we're going to use Unicurl, one of my favorite shampoos. I love to use it on her hair. Deep conditioner, I'm going to use 3 Minute Miracles by Aussie. I like to mix this with another conditioner, another deep conditioner. So today I'm going to use the Diva Curl Melt Into Moisture. I would use the Unicurl deep conditioner, but I have very little left and I want to use that for my hair too. So, but the Melt Into Moisture works really well with her hair, not well with my hair. So this is why I like to use this on her hair. And I like to mix it because this has a lot of slip in it because her hair is really hard to detangle. So. How was it washing your hair?
Good.
Were you scared? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Kenzie's still scared of like water getting her eyes or in her ears. So when I use the hose to rinse out the product out her hair, I put a towel over her face and then she's okay for the most part. She's still adjusting to washing her hair, although we've been washing her hair since she came out, but you know, it's not one of her favorite things, and it's honestly not one of my favorite things to do either because it's a struggle and it takes a long time. When it comes to detangling, it's like impossible to detangle in the sink. It was also impossible to even do it in the bathtub. So I try my best to like comb out some knots while the water's running and stuff like that, but I get out most of her tangles when I style her hair. So most times I try to do braids in her hair so it can last about 2 weeks so I don't have to deal with her hair because she hates getting her hair done. So that is what we're about to do right now, and then I take section by section just to detangle and then whatever braid style we're going to do today. So I usually dry her hair with a t-shirt, cotton t-shirt, or with this microfiber towel. What are we going to do to your hair? For hairstyles, I usually go on Pinterest, type up braided hairstyles to get some ideas, some inspiration to do a cute hairstyle. Most times I usually do just box braids, but I'm trying to do something different. She's She has like a blonde hair out of nowhere. Like it's like light brown. It's light brown and then it turns into black. Whoa, okay, you got some highlights I don't know about. It kind of sucks that I don't know how to cornrow because that would make a lot more cuter hairstyles. But I just try to fake a cornrow, if you know what I mean. So I think that's what I'm going to do today. So the products that I'll be using today, Unicurl Leave-In Detangler and Styler. Now this, I mean, I have videos about this product already, and this product loves my hair and this product loves her hair. So this helps me really detangle her hair. Her hair dries really fast, so I make sure I have a spray bottle ready. Have a comb, rubber band, you know, the regular necessities. Also have the Unicurl hair oil as well that I like to put on her hair while it's like damp. This process probably takes a long time, so she's usually either snacking or watching Nick Jr., watching her shows, and that is what we're about to do right now, right? Mm-hmm.
So this is the final look, guys. See everybody asleep.
So Makenzie actually fell asleep while I was doing her hair, and that was the first time she ever fell asleep in like ever. She never fell asleep while I was doing her hair, and I was so surprised. I'm just like, she was starting to get whiny about me detangling her knots and everything like that, and I knew she was tired, but she actually fell asleep while I was doing it. I was just like, okay. So I laid her down and then I finished the top part. So since I can't do any cornrows, that's why I did this little contraption here, and I'm hoping it lasts. I'm gonna have to put probably like a scarf right here so it protects it, so it won't be so frizzy in the morning, and I'll probably put like 2 more bonnets just in case, because she's a wild sleeper, so I don't want her hair to get messed up before the weekend. This is what I did. I had a braid right here, then I made like another box so it can like connect, so put the rubber band here, and I made another braid right here. I don't put rubber bands on the top of her braids because I hate when it gets that lint in there after a while when she like stops putting on her bonnet at nighttime, or either way, like, you know, from the clothes and bed sheets and stuff like that, it always gets linty on the top, and I absolutely hate that because it takes forever to take out when I take out her braids. So I just start the braid and I only put rubber bands on the bottom, so it's a lot easier for the next wash day. So I'm hoping this lasts for at least 2 weeks.
And I was having this for 100 years.
Oh, you want it for 100 years? Definitely not gonna last that long. If you guys have any questions about any of the products that we used, or any questions about her wash day, just leave a comment down below.
And get a big thumbs up. And subscribe. And click that bell button. And ring that bell. Kenzie out from the next video. Just Kenzie out.
Exactly what she said. Bye.